Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be making a Discord account. So first and foremost, you want to put in your email. That's my email. Once you put in your email, you just want to put in your password, whatever it is. It's completely up to you. Wait, sorry. I completely made a big mistake on that. I'm supposed to register. Yep, and so I'm going to put in my email, put in my username, and then put in my password. And then you can select your birth date. And then, if this is optional, Discord's gonna send you update tips and special offers. Well, honestly, if you want to get Nitro, you should turn this on, because sometimes they give you special offers on Nitro. And after that, you want to press on continue. Once you press on that, it's gonna do the reCAPTCHA, and then that's about it, I think. As you can see, this is my channel. Obviously, your Discord's not gonna look the same as mine, because as I mentioned in the previous one, I have better Discord installed, which is why it's popping up like this. It's different looking, but yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that like, and make sure you ring that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.